सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो के अंदर वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस टू रिक्रूटमेंट थ्रू गेट 2021 एंड वन रिक्रूटमेंट फॉर द जूनियर इंजीनियर वैकेंसी. सो वॉच द वीडियो टिल एंड. So let's start the video, friends. So here you can see that we are going to discuss three job updates in Sunday Dhamaka. First of all, Coal India Limited. Second is your Gate 2021 के through Odisha के अंदर vacancies are there, and second is SVJNL के अंदर vacancies हैं. Okay, so SVNLJ I think ना उसके अंदर vacancies हैं. So before starting the video, if you new to your PD education channel, then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and click on all. And your PD education has also started a new channel for non technical updates, and the name of channel is your PD job updater and preparation. So वहाँ पे you can get the previous year paper of the exams and preparation strategy of the exams, book suggestion for the exams, and other non-technical content like quant, reasoning, computer science, regional language, history, etc. everything. Okay, on demand I can say. So you can subscribe that channel through the link provided in the description. Now we are going to start this video. So first of all, the update is from Coal India Limited, and now and this update is not available in the official website. वो अभी update करेंगे. But here you can see a paper cutting that recruitment of management trainee through GATE 2021. Okay, and here you can see Coal India Limited a schedule a Maharathan public company. इसके बारे में detail है यहाँ पे. Recruit management trainee. So for the post of management trainee on the basis of GATE 2021 in 6 disciplines. First is mining, second is electrical, third is mechanical, fourth is civil, and fifth is industrial engineering, then geology. So the important dates, online application, detail information, etc. please refer to the detailed advertisement released soon in CLI, your CIL website, that career with CIL. तो वहाँ पे ये update होगा. जैसे ही होता है we will update on the your PD education. Okay, so here you can see for any queries you can contact at this number. So now let's move to the next notification is from Odisha Power Transmission Corporation Limited. So before watching this notification, to save your time, that in this Odisha that regional language must be required at 10th level. Okay, तो अगर आपके पास नहीं है you are not eligible. So आपका time save हो जाएगा इससे. Okay, now here you can see, you can just jump to the next notification. Now here you can see the number of vacancies are, I can say, 50 total, and category wise vacancies are given here. And here you can see the reservation of vacancies, and this is I can say the management trainee electrical का जो आपका PWD candidates के लिए वो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. Now let's discuss the important eligibility criteria. Valid GATE score 2021 is only valid. Okay, I can say 2021 is not valid, and posts are for electrical engineers. And if you have degree in electrical and electronics engineering with at least 60% marks, then you are eligible. Okay, but your GATE paper should be in EE. Okay, now upper age limit 21 year but not above 32 year on 1/8/2021, 1st of August. Now here you can see, very important, that only those candidates who possess the above qualification as on last date of application are eligible. So last date for apply, whatever the last date we are going to discuss in basically some आपको बता दूंगा मैं क्या है last date. So if you have completed your degree, okay, if you have possessed the above qualification of up to that last date, then you are eligible. Otherwise you are not eligible. तो फाइनल ईयर वाले का आंसर यहाँ से आप ढूंढ सकते हो. ओके, रिलैक्सेशन इज रिटन हेयर दैट अकॉर्डिंग टू द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया रूल्स, रिलैक्सेशन सेम होता है आपके सभी एग्जाम में ऑलमोस्ट. नाउ सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर गोइंग टू शॉर्ट लिस्ट बेस्ड ऑन योर गेट स्कोर. आफ्टर दैट ए पर्सनल इंटरव्यू इज देयर. ओके, so your PD always I can say provide your personal interview details, how to prepare, so you can refer your PD education for that. Here you can see maximum weightage is given to the GATE 2021 marks, and personal interview only 10%. So if you have good marks, then I can say 90% your selection is sure. And here you can see the package, very good packages I can say. So pay matrix 56,100 to 1,77,500 I can say. So first of all basic pay आपको मिलेगा during the training of 1 year of completion. Okay, on successful completion of training will absorb that assistant manager electrical in E3 GATE अपडेट पे मैट्रिक्स ऑफ दिस। एंड उसके अलावा इनिशियल बेसिक पे आपको DRA मिलेगा, HRA, कंपनी अकोमोडेशन, मेडिकल अलाउंसेज, कन्वीनियंस अलाउंस, हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस, ग्रुप इंश्योरेंस, LTC, ग्रेट्युटी पेंशन, न्यू पेंशन स्कीम एंड अबव। सो बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे आपको बेसिकली आई कैन से एक फैसिलिटीज़ मिलने वाले हैं। ट्रेनिंग, सिलेक्टेड कैंडिडेट हैव अंडरगो 1 ईयर ट्रेनिंग एट फील्ड यूनिट ऑफ OPTCL इंक्लूडिंग इंडक्शन ट्रेनिंग एट पावर ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चंदाका आई कैन से, ओके, भुवनेश्वर के अंदर। एंड उसके बाद आपका ऑब्जॉर्व कर लिया जाएगा। बॉन्ड आपके पास क्या है, दैट एटलीस्ट यू हैव टू वर्क फॉर 3 ईयर एंड बॉन्ड इज फॉर 3 लाख रुपीज़, दैट इफ़ यू लीव द कंपनी बिफोर दैट 3 ईयर ऑफ completion of your working period, then you have to pay 3 lakh to the company. Now instruction, so here you can see from 1/8/2021 onward, interested and eligible candidate have to register themselves online. So here you can see the link of this, here you can see apply online. So this is the advertisement I can see. So last date, starting date and all, here you can see application fee is 1,000 and 500 as per the category. And these are the documents, you can just go through this. And these are the important dates. Last date is 31st of August to apply. Okay, now the next update I can say from SJVN. Okay, SJVN Limited. Okay, so the vacancies are for the recruitment of field officer, junior field engineer or junior engineer I can say, or junior field officer. Okay, so if you go to the job update, so it is actually not opening, otherwise I will show you. Let's see that now it is opening or not. So it is actually not opening. Okay, so you will try, and when you find, then you can see that there are I think 129 vacancies are there for junior engineer, and last date for apply is 24th 8 2021. Okay, and here you can see recruitment of field engineer through GATE on the fixed tenure basis, that I have already uploaded a video on this. So I can say this is also through GATE. So here you can see detailed advertisement for field engineer and other jobs. I don't know why these are not opening. Let's see, it will open or not. It will not opening. Okay, so let's see this is opening or not. You can apply through this link. Okay, if you want to apply, just you go to this link and then you can apply. Okay, it is not opening, the notifications are not opening. Let's see, here you can see. Okay, so these are the I can say dates by going on which you can apply for I can say proceed to register. So 3 vacancies are today's in video. CIL GATE के through, then Odisha के अंदर Power Corporation Limited GATE 2021 के through, then SJVNL. First is junior engineer vacancy, then there is on the GATE basis vacancy. Last date on the basis of GATE I can say 17 August 2021. So I hope friends you have liked the video. If you like the video, like the content, like the way of explanation, and if you like everything, then you can just please just drop a like on the video and share with your friends. Thank you very much friends.